In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin starred messages on top in Gmail. If you've ever found yourself wanting quicker access to those important emails you've starred, then this straightforward guide is just for you. Let's dive right in and make your Gmail experience a bit more efficient. First, let's open up your Gmail in your preferred web browser. Just visit mail.google.com, and if prompted, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Gmail homepage where all your emails reside. Now, before proceeding, ensure you have some emails already starred. If you haven't starred any emails yet, find some you frequently access or consider important, and simply click on the little star icon next to these emails to mark them. Next, we'll head over to your inbox settings. At the top right corner of your Gmail homepage, you'll see a gear icon, which represents Settings. Click on that icon. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to click on See All Settings. This is where all the configuration magic happens. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Inbox tab. In this section, you'll notice a variety of options that allow you to customize the way your inbox is arranged. What we're after is the Inbox Type option. Here, you'll see several options such as Default, Important First, Unread First, and so on. To pin starred messages at the top, select Starred First. What this does is it prioritizes starred emails and places them right at the top of your inbox for immediate visibility and access. After toggling Starred First, don't forget to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. This is an important step to ensure that your chosen settings are applied. Once you've saved, you'll be taken back to your inbox. Now you should see a noticeable difference with your starred emails prominently displayed at the top. This little adjustment makes a world of difference when it comes to managing and accessing vital information swiftly. Rather than sifting through heaps of messages, the most critical ones are now plain in view, saving you valuable time. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've optimized your Gmail to make those starred messages readily accessible. Remember, if you ever decide you want to revert these changes, simply return to the Inbox tab in Settings and select Default under Inbox Type. Your emails will then return to the usual order, giving you flexibility to switch it up based on your needs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out more of our videos for tips that make tech work for you.